2014 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, carpeted floor mats, tachometer, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.